Hey everybody, this technology that I want to share is Noodle. I'm sure a lot of you have heard of Noodle, but for me in the PE setting, this is something that I think would be beneficial, but even it could be beneficial in all other classrooms just to get movement and things like that in the classrooms. And so I'm going to kind of talk about it from that point of view as a PE teacher, but with Noodle, there is just a lot of different videos. You can go over here to categories, and this is free. I just may have to sign up as a teacher account to get to all these different categories, but you can go here, and again, there's tons of different videos on different subjects, but for me, or for what I would be interested in, would be kind of the movement-based ones. So you can go down here, and there's gross motor skills, fine motor skills, balance, all those things. There's some for workouts or guided dance. So, I think getting some dance-related things in my lessons or in other teachers' lessons, you could just click on this, and it pops up different videos where the students can follow along. You just click on one. And they usually have pretty updated songs, so you can do that. The audience would be mostly students. Is what you would use this for, and the standards I chose for this are 3.1a, using technology to meet needs that allow brain breaks and create room and schedules for body movement. And so these videos can be good for movement, be good for brain breaks, no matter what class you're in. Also, another standard is 3.5a, remaining current on new technology to get kids up and moving, which meets the needs for all abilities. And it can also help you just know what songs and dances are new for the kids and relevant. So, thank you.